She is an 8-time Olympic medalist who has won 3 gold medals at the Olympics and 3 at the World Championships. She has in her possession over 50 medals for her outstanding work as an athlete. Her career lasted over 2 decades, and the time has come for her to hang up her spikes.
My reaction to Veronica announcing that she's hanging up her spikes and she's retiring brings to mind that Veronica is Jamaica's most decorated female athlete, and that we cannot praise her enough for her outstanding performance as an athlete.
Veronica Campbell Brown is a Jamaican track and field sprinter who specializes in the 100 and 200 meters. Her personal best of 10.76 seconds in the 100 meters makes her one of the top 10 fastest female athletes in the world and 4th fastest among Jamaican women. The athlete, whose career started at the Veronica High School in Clarendon, hails from the rural community of Clarkstown in Trelawney. At the age of 22, she represented Jamaica at the 2004 Athens Olympics, winning gold in the 200 meters. Her win made her the first Jamaican and Caribbean woman in the history of the Games to win a sprint Olympic title.
VCB is a very warm individual, a humble individual. I mean, regardless of all the successes that she has had as an athlete, she was never spoiled. She never behaved like a prima donna. She's just humble, warm, and very Christian-like in her approach. She is always speaking about praying and giving thanks. And I think she's a great example as a Jamaican woman, and a Jamaican woman who has succeeded through hard work and dedication. I really, really wish her well.
In 2019, VCB, as many affectionately call her, was honored by the government of Jamaica for her stellar work as an athlete.
A statue of Veronica was commissioned along with statues of Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Shelley Ann Fraser, as Jamaica's tangible recognition of her performance. And it is now proudly erected in Statue Park in the National Stadium complex. And further to that, we renamed the Troy Primary School as the Veronica Campbell Brown Primary School.
The 39-year-old Olympian, wife and mother, says she will now turn her focus to parenting and her entrepreneurial and charity ventures, such as the VCB Foundation.
I wish her well in her retirement. I wish her success in her business venture, in working on her brand and her merchandising, and that she will be able to market herself as effectively as she has done Jamaica proud as an athlete.